On your marks!
Yeah, I mean, I really wanted to come here and win, and that was the goal. And all week I've been thinking about that, and I executed a perfect race. I put myself exactly where I wanted to be. I made sure that I worked on the bike, and we got it in a breakaway. And I just try to work and be consistent the whole day. And the run was really tough. The first lap was really hard, and I struggled to get going. But then Montoya came past, then I managed to just hang on, and then it just came down to a bit of a sprint the last 500 meters, and I managed to come through, so it was a pretty good day.
The bike course was very difficult with the hill. To make 7 times, and as I said, I just tried to keep a lot of energy for the run, and it was a good plan. So happy, and I'm looking for my next race in Kitzbühel.
Today was probably one of the toughest course I did since Auckland a few years ago. It was really interesting racing here, really demanding. Was a great event actually. Great crowd, great course, good weather. I just loved it.
Life